Alright, with just about 50 watts in on my 1000 watt slug here, and it's just on regular bird here. We're on CW 7 megahertz with no low pass filter yet. Turn it on. Just about 600 watts. Now each of these I put out about 300. So what's happening here is, let me turn off the power. Oh, and I was on 14.4. Let's hook up the O-scope real quick so you could see it too on voltages. Okay, just about 600, 157 RMS, 60 amps. All right, and I was on 7.004, and of course into my dummy load there. Okay, all the way into my dummy load, all the way, and from radio. Okay, turn this off. Do some explanations here. So, what's going on here is that we got the 50 ohm input, and here, since this is looks like 50 ohms here, okay, when you split it, you're effectively putting two 50 ohms in parallel. So that is what gives you the 25 ohms here, all give or take. So if you do it again and you do 8 transistors with each 2 transistor section, and then you split it again, then you're putting two 25 ohm in parallel, which brings you down to, I believe, 16 or something. So, but that's down the road though. But yeah. So what's going on here is that you have to convert it from 50 ohms to your 25 ohm input here, right there. Okay, and what this is an LC network. Okay, and what I've learned too is, since I designed it for 7 megahertz, this coil is designed for 7. It will put out at around 3 and probably a little bit on 14, but since this is tuned for 7, so this capacitor and this inductor makes this point on look like 50 ohms to here. So that's what's happening, and then it's the same thing on the output, and then it goes to the 50 ohms. So yeah, that's where we're at as of right now. And I was trying other smaller coils, but I couldn't get the inductance high enough, so went with a 3/4 there, 14 gauge. So on to the next.